Hello guys, so today the MX5 will be getting new alloys. Hello guys, so before I get started, I just want to remind you of the car meet that I'm hosting with Exhausted, which is another YouTuber who also owns an MX5. We're going to be hosting a car meet on the 3rd of March. If you want to come and see both of us, see the MX5s, there should be a few people coming along. I don't think it's going to be a huge meet, but it should be fun to meet people and just, yeah, to show off our cars. I'll leave the link in the description for his channel and a link for the Facebook event, so you've got all the address, the times, and the details of that meet. But yeah, let's get to the video. I bought these really nice Japanese racing wheels off of Facebook. They are second hand. One of them is slightly curved on one edge. That is the only damage at all to the wheels. I got a really good deal on them. This is the only one I've got unboxed. I'm going to quickly unbox them all so I can show you them. So these are the wheels. They are Japanese racing wheels in gold. They are 8 inches wide. They're 15-inch alloys, 8 inches wide. But at the moment they've got tyres of 195, 45s R15s. I can't remember the exact offset. I think the offset was either 0 or 15. Yeah, I can't remember what the exact offset was. And as I bought them second hand, I'm going to quickly take them to the tyre exhaust just to make sure they are fully balanced and there's nothing wrong with them. And then I want to clean them up a little bit and we'll put them on the car. Can't fit wheels in there with this in there. So I just went to the tyre exhaust, we got the wheels balanced, they were pretty good. 2 of them were slightly out, but they said they barely had to change any of the weights. So now, as they're not on the car yet, I'm going to quickly give them the clean, and so I can get into like all the little bits, or just make it a little easier to clean so they're perfect when I put them on the car. Once they're clean, we're going to chuck them on the car and hopefully they'll look pretty cool. So there we go, the wheels are all clean. Now I'm going to reverse my car onto the ramps a little bit so then I can get the jack underneath, because it's too low to fit the jack underneath. And I'm going to chuck these wheels on. So because these tyres are directional, these do have to, 2 of these wheels have to go on the left side and 2 of these have to go on the right side. If you also have directional wheels, make sure they go on the right side, because that does matter. So we now got the wheel on the car. It was a bit weird because this didn't even fit in the hole, and neither did my my large 20 socket. That is my 6-sided socket. I had to use a weird 21. I don't know why that was the only one that fitted, but let's lower this down and see what the fitment's like. That actually fits really nicely. I'm a bit unsure though, because I could lower it a little more. I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'm going to leave it for now. I might lower it some more in the future. And there we go, the first wheel is on. I'm absolutely loving the way that looks. That looks awesome. Could be a little bit lower, but I'm not too bothered about that right now because, well, it's not finished yet, is it? So let's go. I'm going to do the rest of the wheels on the car quickly, and we'll see what it looks like when it's completely finished. There you go. As you can see, the wheels are now on the car. I can't be more happy with how they turned out. They look absolutely awesome. I love the way the gold works with the black. They just look sick. I'm going to pack away quickly because I've left quite a bit of mess. And then I'll show you around the car and show you how it looks. And I'll see you in the next video, guys.